Alright guys, what's cracking? Welcome back. New video. Same day. As you guys can see, I'm still wearing the same shirt. I couldn't hold on for the next video. For the next day. I just had to come in here and work on something. You know what I mean? If you guys seen the last video, I did take off the power window switches, the light switch, the AC module, and the odometer on my truck, on Big Face actually. So I want to do the LED upgrades. Well, as you guys can see, I've been working on it. I have a f***ing mess here, but I got the AC module and all that. Now, I had done one previously, not gonna lie. I've been trying to practice on the soldering. These are all LED'd out, so some are on backwards, positive, negative. I messed up. It is what it is. I also wanted to change the knobs, but what I noticed is when I illuminate this one, let me see. Let me check the knobs real quick. Hold on. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to give you guys a physical picture of what I'm talking about. So these are supposed to turn on like the background of it. But I did notice that these LEDs do not illuminate enough for these to turn on. I'm going to show you guys a video right here. So my boy Mike Prieto up north drives a badass Sierra. He's been actually he specializes in this, and that's where I got it from. I mean, I was trying to save a couple bucks, but he did say he puts on another backboard on here, and it makes it illuminate even brighter. So that I don't want to learn how to do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the easiest things, which I've already started on this one. This is specifically for the power fold mirror, as you guys can see here. That's specifically for that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna send this one out to Prieto, because I don't know how to take off that blue to be honest, and I'm not gonna f it up because they end up cracking. So I'll let the expert handle that, and then I'll do the window switches, and then I'll be sending this one out to Prieto along with my odometer, because like I said, there's special things that need to be done, and I am not gonna do it. So we'll just do that. For now, I'm gonna show you guys how I solder these, give you guys a quick little montage, and then I'll show you guys the after results. Vámonos. Alright guys, well, I was trying to solder these together, as I showed you guys yesterday. This is for the power fold mirrors. I did the LED conversion on it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and check to make sure it has power, and it's good to go. Let's go ahead and check this out real quick. I was actually having trouble soldering them, trying to have it stick together, but I kind of figured it out. I'm a newbie, like I said. I'm not an expert, so I'm going to try this out, see if mine works. I'm going to turn this on at 6 volts max. This is how I check my stuff. Bam. We got power. You guys can see? There's a little LEDs. And they wasn't working before. Now they both work. Bam. Cool. So now that that's done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do these right here. I'm scared on doing these because I messed one up once, but hey, we can't learn if we don't mess it up, right? Let's get that going. Vámonos. Bam. So now we got this right here. It's a little dirty. Keep in mind, these trucks are not new trucks. So what you want to use is, the safest thing to use is alcohol. So I got a bunch of alcohol. I use that here. I'm going to take one of my rags. I'm going to clean all that inside. It's dirty. Gotta keep in mind, these trucks are old. The owners don't really take these apart or clean them. So everything's all dusty and nasty. Feel me? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear a little bit of my voice, but I'm getting over a little cold that I had came down or something, whatever it is. I'm sure everyone got it, but now we're getting over it, getting over the little hump, starting to feel a little bit better. Now this is the little light that we're trying to change here, as you guys can see. Has a little cover on it, so you want to take off that cover. Bam. I need Q-tips far. All right. So I struggled a little bit. I was trying to change tips and find the exact tip, but it seems like the original tip that comes with the soldering machine is the best. So I got it off. Now we got to figure out which one's positive and negative, and then we check to make sure it works. So it works, as you guys can see here. Bam. So now we got to go ahead and cut. We have to cut this little light and then make it fit in there and then solder it. We'll be done with the first switch panel, converting it into an LED. So let me go and mark. That's going to be negative. All right, perfect. Okay, so now we cut. Make it short enough. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me soldering this on, and then I'll come back to you guys. Vámonos. All right, you guys, we're done. As you guys seen in the time lapse, it took me a minute, but I got it figured out now. I was using the wrong tip, and well, so it's a little too late. I'm not gonna get up today. Tomorrow I do have to take the truck out to my boy. We're probably gonna get the bumper fixed, so I'll put these on, and then we'll see how it looks at night on tomorrow's video. But for now, I'm going to close this one. You guys, if you guys want to go to support, I do have sticker decals of how Big Face is supposed to look. It'll help me out on building the truck sooner and faster, give you guys a lot more content. But get your stickers, and then, well, yeah, see you guys in tomorrow's video.